All right, we are up in the St. Cloud area in Minnesota. I am at Michael's home. He has seen our videos on the Willys trucks that we have done, and this is what he has. This is called a Willys Jeepster. It is a convertible, obviously, and cool little car. It was restored about 20 years ago to original. And what we are doing on this one is we are doing a full front suspension, making it an independent front suspension, putting a full Ford axle underneath it in the rear end, and then we're putting in a 4.3 General Motors fuel injection engine. So he's seen us do some work, and he has brought this to us to take and make it more drivable. It is cold as blazes, coldest day of the year, 19 whopping degrees. This is a 1948. So the grill, that's the same as the truck. The fenders are the same, and I think even the hood is the same as the Willys pickup truck. And this is the Willys Overlander. So I have about, holy cow, a 3.5 hour drive, 4 hour drive home, and the weather is cold. So I'm gonna get my butt on the road, but this one is gonna be a different one for us. Keep watching.
We're selling it!
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs. Hey everybody, Chris with Legendary Customs, based all across Wisconsin. Thank you for joining us. What is behind me is a 1948 Willys Jeepster. Yes, the little car that came out of the Willys Jeep trucks. Awesome little rig. It is in here for some major overhauls. If you've ever thought about doing one of these, follow this entire build, because we're going to show you how to take out the old motor, the old transmission, the rear end, and what we're going to put in is a Mustang 2 independent front suspension. These are 2-wheel drive. This engine, which looks in great shape, is being pulled out, and we're putting in a 4.3 V6 from Chevy. The transmission, out of there. That's one thing that we have to make up our minds on. It's either going to be a 700R4 or a 200R4. And then the rear axle's coming out, and that's going to be out of a Ford Ranger. So, with all of that, follow along for the adventure. We're doing nothing on bodywork. This has been restored about 20 years ago and has about 5,000 miles on it. We're doing nothing on the interior. We're doing nothing on the convertible top. And we're doing a couple minor things that he has on his list just to have it up and running. But anyway, the long and short is, follow along. He found us on YouTube from our Dirty Willys build, and then Ron's Willys Jeep build. And that's how I got here. Keep watching. We're going to dismantle the entire front end today, hopefully. 15 to 7 minutes it is then. Thank you. No cardboard under it. No
It's like
cardboard this
monkeys
time.
in the trunk, but it's actually monkeys in the engine bay.
We need engine weight, and between my belly, Mike's belly, Zach's belly, we kept the skinny kid off. We put it down as far as we can, so mathematically
You're
we're good.
funny.
Yeah. Need to.
The what adjustments?
The valve adjustments and oil changes.
Oil changes.
All right, this is for the 1948 Willys Jeepster. This is actually a Ford rear end. It came out of a 1990, and it's actually been rebuilt. It's actually been rebuilt 500 miles ago, is what we're told. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna strip this down to bare metal, see what it looks like overall, and then take it apart to make sure that it actually has been rebuilt. If it hasn't been rebuilt, then we will actually have it rebuilt so it's ready to go in all new. No matter what, we're gonna put in new seals on the ends of the axles. It's very easy to do. Take the axles out, put in the seal, put the axles back in, cakewalk. But Mike is about ready to take on this and get it going. You want me to help you flip it or anything? Okay.
Are we out of the wire wheels for the drill, Jeff? Or? Yeah. Are we out of those wire wheels for the
To go get you a new gasket.
Yeah, it's supposed to be getting gaskets and seals. All the stuff to get this thing cleaned up, put together.
So what's the consensus? Has it been rebuilt? You think? Probably.
I
Maybe.
don't know if it's been rebuilt, but it's in good shape.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
I'm assuming
Not that I know a
there's
lot.
some translation between rebuilt and a
Good
new cover,
condition?
a new gasket.
Oh, there you go.
Like new fluid, diff change. Diff fluid has been changed and rebuilt. I don't think is the same. But,
Sure.
I mean,
Well, as long as it looks good, right?
all the teeth look good. There's no chips, no marking. Everything looks fine that way. The axles are in good shape. So
We should be good.
I have no reservations about putting it together. So
Well,
get it cleaned up and painted and back to the car.
there you go.
Glasses.
bearing rides in here, and then there's a seal back there behind it here, but it's not actually, it's notched in two places, so it's not like it's just ripped in one. So I don't think that's actually a replaceable seal. And so
How the hell did you get that
that's where I was aiming to get it.
big long rod in there?
This goes
Smart ass. I was being real. How did that fit in that little? Never mind. How's it going over there? I'll leave that one alone.
We talked about any of that. Just leave it all alone.
Yep.
Don't say nothing.
Got your new seals and your new.
Yep. New seals anyway. The rest of the stuff's coming. So
All right.
get that part done anyway.
Are you kidding? Relief, comic relief out of all my pain?
I am surprised 0%.
Everything's back together. Where'd that come from?
Same place that made our, so we're gonna have to cut that out on both sides. You see what I'm saying?
Oh, so
This.
okay.
Notch it out.
Left come out.
Yep.
But, so what he said is, he has it designed where we don't have to do anything. He said, put this at the bottom of the rail, weld this on. What this center is, ends up the exact same as what this center was. So he says, mark this before you cut it off.
Sure.
Center, line it up. Every measurement that we gave him.
We're already incorporated.
Yep. This will be 1/2 inches tall, shorter in ride height than this. But he said we can get that back with the coilover shock if we want it.
Crank it up.
He couldn't get it up. That 1/2 inch.
Jesus. Wow.
But yeah, and then we'll have to build the engine. So this
Yep.
is a front mount for that old original engine. So for this to be the LS style mount on a V6, instead of being here, we're gonna have to make a system that brings it back up to here.
Yeah, or come off. You might
Or-
want to come off the
Yes,
side.
or exactly. I don't think so though.
Ooh, that's pretty thin shit.
Yeah, that's pretty thin. So this will get welded in, and we're gonna have to maybe
Yeah, we could-
triangulate.
Well, so you could plate it too.
Yeah.
Put
Yeah,
another 1/8 inch plate on it and then.
yeah. But.
Are you gonna powder coat
he said-
that?
So
No?
no. This will get welded in. All of this will be gone. We'll have just the frame. We'll probably plastic this off, put cardboard in front, pick a spot, media blast it bare, put it back together, and repaint it all assembled in black.
Yep.
And just wherever that, maybe that spot will be back here.
Yep, by the body.
So it's
that's the
something
other
you don't
spot.
even see. And then it'll be new, painted, assembled, and then their back will be the finish that he currently has from the restoration 20 years ago. So, but he said, no matter what you do, he said, you're gonna be tempted. Set this up on jack stands, have your height, tack on your top, put on your arms, put your wheels on. If everything is right, you'll be a 1/2 inch off. He goes, please, you're gonna be tempted to cut this, to try to do this and push it all directions. He goes, don't cut anything. All the measurements, all the pictures you gave me, this should be strictly tack it in, weld it in, you're done. So,
Yeah, because they built it for this frame.
it's specific, and he goes, we've never done one for a Jeepster. I told him, well, now he's good from 48 to 54, because they're all the same. So,
Cool. Yeah, we'll get it. Probably turn it around just to be easier to work on.
yeah, yep, agreed. And this could be close to the door, because we don't need anything back here.
Yep.
Give you more room up there. Yep. Or move it over to the center. But either way, yes, I agree, it has to be moved. All right. 1948 Willys Jeepster. It is the car from Willys. If you remember the Volkswagen thing, this is similar, but it's not half as ugly. And all of you Volkswagen people out there that just shut me off, Yes, the Volkswagen thing is the ugly stepchild that you love. It's ugly. This is not. Anyway, we're in week 1.5. We got a Ford rear end for it. That is going to replace the Jeepster rear end. Better gear ratio, better strength, all that good stuff. You already know this is all apart. We ordered let's go over here. We ordered on Monday a cross member for this, for a Mustang 2 front end. Today's Thursday. Monday we wrote him the check. Thursday it's here. I'm going to do a big shout out to this company, because if you go back to Legendary Customs in the beginning, 2018, and we have videos out there on the P57 that says, dude, where's my frame? There's a company in Texas. They're a terrible company. I'm not going to say who, but geez Louise, they supposedly build frames. Took my money, screwed people over all the time. Came to JR's rod shop over in Wisconsin on a dime. They said, we'll help you out. They get us a frame for SEMA 2018. Same company. And I didn't even ask for quick service. Ordered it on Monday, have it here on Thursday. It's ready to go. Ordered the 4.3 liter V6 for it. That will be here next week. Ordered a transmission for it. We'll have to build a drive shaft. This bad boy is coming along very good. Got the computer, got the gas pedal. We're putting in the latest engine with direct fuel injection, V6, overdrive, 6-speed transmission, possibly if it fits. We might have to step it back to a 4 L80 versus a 6 L80, but we're making progress. Stay tuned. The next step is putting this Mustang 2 front end, independent front suspension in. It will make things much better for driving on this thing. So I just can't believe it. They did an awesome job. So keep watching. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps us out tremendously. Share our videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You're all appreciated. Out of here.